Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we are going to unbox this FSP Dagger Pro SFX PSU here, and it's a 650 watt here. Let's go on to the box here. So it says it can support dual CPU as it has the power connectors. This is 80 plus rated gold, 100% made from Japan made E-cap, and it also has a feature called semi-fanless, where it will stop spinning if the load is under 20%, so it gives you the silence, and it comes with 7 years warranty. Let's look around the box. So we have one 20 plus 4 pin connector, one 8 pin or 4 plus 4 pin, 6 plus 2 pin, we have 2 here, and then we have 2 SATA molecs, this one with 3 SATA and 1 molex, another one with 2 molecs, 2 SATA, 1 molex, 1 floppy disk. And this is the UK type. Now let's look at the back here. As you can see, it has some features here with efficiency more than 90% at typical load. Semi-fanless, quiet and long-lasting 92mm ball bearing fan. This also comes with ribbon cables for the need of enthusiasts. Like I said, full Japanese electrolytic capacitor. What else? Oh, and then it also comes with the SFX to RTX adapter bracket, which is nice, so you can use it in any case. Let's see, it supports high-end motherboard, MIA IC chipset with DC-DC module, semi-fanless, 100% Japan made E-cap, so everything is just repeat. Let's look at this. So the acoustic noise. So the fan can spin up to above 3,500, and the noise is more than 40 dB. So expect quite a bit of noise if you run this as full load. And here's the efficiency curve. Well, without further ado, let's open this box. So while we're opening, let's just talk about the price. I got this around 470 Malaysian ringgit. So that's about 100, a bit around 120 USD, 130. Yeah. Can't wait to unbox this. Okay, so let's see what's inside here. So it's pretty well packaged here. As you can see, here are all the foam here protecting the PSU, and here's the manual here. Let's see what's inside here. Very huge, a lot of pages. Well, never mind, you don't have to look into it. So here's the power cord, comes with the protector here. I believe this is quite thick. I like the quality. I believe this is standard 1.8 meter, but correct me if I'm wrong in the comments down below. Here are the wires with the strap here, which is nicely packaged. Let's open it up. So as you can see, all of them are flat cables for easier cable management. And yep, here is the 8 CPU, 8 plus 8 indeed. No, sorry. So yeah, this is the CPU 4 plus 4 here, but another cable here for 8 pin. This is the floppy disk, 1 molex, 2 molex, 3 SATA. Pretty short to be honest, but it's for small form factor, so it's expected. Here's another one for floppy, molex and SATA. I'm sorry, just now I should be mentioning SATA. Oh, the PCIe cable is very short indeed. Interesting. So yeah, it's just this length. Here's another VGA one. It's entirely the same. And here is the motherboard one for motherboard, 20 past 4 pin. Oh, it actually has both. Yep, one for the PSU end and one for the motherboard. So this is for the PSU and this is on connect to the motherboard. So yeah. And then it also comes with the ATX to SFX bracket here, which is a nice touch. A must need, as I'm going to install this into Fractal Design Nano, but I'm afraid the wires can be too short, so I have to take a look later on. And here are some screws, nice to see. And here is the PSU itself. As you can see, very tiny indeed. Some heft with it. Yeah, it's very small. I like this side, it looks very cute. Here's the power button. Full metal, very heavy. I like the weight of it. And here's the 92mm ball bearing fan. You can see inside the boards are very close to each other. The connectors and the capacitors and everything is very compact, and you can see there's quite a few screws here. Yeah, the logo here, and here are the specs. So yeah, very nice touch indeed. I like this, and looking forward to install this into my case, as I'm going to build a small form factor PC for myself so that I can bring wherever I fly. So yeah, that's about it. So yeah, so that's the whole package here, the PC, the bracket, and then the wires. So thank you for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe and share my video if you find this useful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.